that's what I'm not confident. I actually not need slime, but lots of slime and slime collection. So I'm gonna show you my slime that I've made or slime that I've bought. I've bought slime, I've also made slime. So let me get it out from the floor. There's one here. There's one more. I'm actually getting that from or what website this is from. Yeah. So just a grab one. And so right here. This is cotton candy ice cream from Slime Sandy Shop on Instagram. The cotton candy smells so good, and you should buy it from all these shops. It's so pretty, and it's like cotton candy. And it's so nice. It's really purpley. Uses the camera if I could get the color. Get the color camera. It's like maybe colored. I think it must come out this color. If you want, if I can get it. It looks great. It looks great, but it's like a light purple. It's like a lilac purple. It looks great. It's a lilac purple one. It's like this color kind of. It's similar to this color. Not like that color, like similar. It's like a lilac. It's not great. It's like a lilac purple. I'm just kind of picking it up. It's really nice. I have some glitter in it, and it's really nice. And you actually buy from all these shops. They're all. I bought some slime from Slime Sandy Shop, Snoop Slimes, and Slime Jack. Slime Jack. So yeah, buy them. And that's not how this one is. Fruit Loops from Slime, and this is their thing. Slime Sandy Shop. This is Fruit Loops. And they prices are like $9. Which isn't bad. That's slime. It's a white slime with Fruity Loops in it. Fruit Loops. Yeah. It's like a cereal. Fruit Loops cereal. It's called Fruit Loops, but definitely it's Fruit Loops because it's just like a little bowl and a little thing. The other one's like glossy. It's really nice. I like it. And it had glitter, anything. Smells like Fruit Loops, and this smells like cotton candy. All smaller with the names are. It's really glossy. It's a cookie as well. Okay, this one is like a collage of butter. So I put it in a cookie. Let me see if I can make a Mommy, it's so clicky. So basically well. Really good. Really good. Some slime. I'm gonna do all my slime sandhouse down. This is slime sandhouse watermelon shaved ice. It's also really good as well. Looks good. It's real nice red color. It's like watermelon shaved ice. But it's like a watermelon shaved ice. Like do that in India. It smells like watermelon. Like it smells like watermelon. It's really nice to see. It's like a chunk kind of thing. It has like a watermelon in it. It's really nice. It has one big little watermelon piece in it. And Slime by Slime Stay Out on Instagram. Yeah, they're on Instagram as well. They're on Instagram, yeah, they're on there. Pretty good bubble. Oh! They're on another container. Oh, nice. And they're on Instagram. I think everyone, all these are on Instagram. I'm not sure. I bought some slime. I'm not sure they do, but this one is Watermelon Chunks by Slime Powder. One of the other little backbeat is like when the watermelon sticks up all kind of. There's like little seeds in it and a little watermelon pieces in it. It's not like because it has like all the little chunks in it, so it's really hard to click. It's really hard to clean all the little chunks, but it's so pretty. I painted it on my birthday. And that's something small I want to get them done. But long time for it. It's not like water. I love it. I love one. I like one that would make. One more slime by Sandy. Oh no. 2 more slime by Sandy to be done. Or slime. Sandy chocolate. This one has pink lemonade jelly by Slime at Sandy Shop. I love the little piece they have in it. It's really pretty. It smells like a pink lemonade. It smells like pink lemonade. Actually, I don't even like I don't like really like pink lemonade. I just like the smell of it. Like it smells like pink. See, I don't really like pink lemonade, but I like the smell of it. It's like a lemonade with like a pink lemonade, you know what I'm saying? There's like a little bit of glitter and then like a piece of glitter in it. And it's really nice. I'll show you what it is. It's so nice. I have 6 in my Final Fantasy shops. When I have more, I don't have more. So they also have cheap prices. Sometimes it's really hard to buy from because they're really famous. This one is acai ice cream. It's kind of like the ice cream one, but it's a little bit softer. It's really like mixed berries. So if you have like the little like smoothie bowl, it kind of has like an acai bowl. If you ever get an acai bowl, it's more like an acai. It's something like an acai bowl, like an acai ice cream. It's mixed berry and purple, and it's really nice. There's like little berries and like all kinds of berries in the thing. It's actually really pretty. It's really pretty, really pretty. Smells super good from the slime, Sandy Shop, and acai ice cream. This one actually was released like a few weeks, so that is my slime Sandy Shop collection. Go buy them, I love them. Go buy some slime Sandy Shop. I love slime Sandy Shop. Next, I think we're gonna go on to Snoop slime. I only have one of Snoop slimes. You can put this Instagram from Snoop slime on Instagram. And Slime by Sandy is on Instagram, if you're wondering. I don't know if I know they have an Instagram. Snoop slime has an Instagram and a TikTok. You can find them on there. So I have a eucalyptus spearmint. It smells like spearmint gum. It's really nice. It's like a soft butter. I love that. Please. So I used to have the detox water and the Charlie, but the detox water got really old. It was like sticky, and I tried to fix it with borax. It didn't work. I had to throw it away. I had detox water. It was so nice. I had detox water. It was so nice. It was so clicky. It was amazing. I had like 5 or 6 months, and it got old. But I loved it. And then after I had Charlie, I loved how you mixed in ice and everything. It was so fun. I loved it as much. I loved it, but it's so old. Like that. Charlie and the water were best. Really good. That's all I have from them. I'm a little more. It's hard to get from her, but it's too fun. I always make it on that. And then we're gonna move on to what I've made. Sometimes I do. Alright, I'm right here. I don't know how I named it right now. I like it. I have this right here. It's so pretty. Oh, it's a word. It's really pretty. It's like a little pink. It's like a little I made it. It's fluffy. Slime. It's really pretty, and I love it. It's glittery and it's like a maroon. Cool. I made this to just glue and it's this. It's nice. It looks like baby powder. I like the smell of that, so that's why I'm cool with that. I made it a month or 2 ago. And it's super fluffy. I love it. Well, after this one, let's look another. They're kind of the same color, not really at all, but not really. See, they're similar in color, but not really similar. But like, they're both reds. This one is big. So this one, it's a maroon one. Has it looks like shaving cream. It has like beads in it. It has little beads in it. I did it. Little beads in it. Maybe I thought we make like a slime making video. I'm gonna go through slime. I'm not gonna get some. I'm gonna go through later, like in an hour or two. So I will get glue. I need to get just glue. And let me see what it is because I want to use dollars for a slime thing. I just haven't. We go like every 2 weeks. I like go every like 2 weeks. So that'll be my first. We went last week. I might go like soon. I don't mind going a lot because it was awful. I only get like, I usually only get like 15, 20 things on a salad. I only get like 15 things. So, and you some like nice things there for being kind of shit. And let me guys know if I'm gonna do a like a morning routine or like a meet my pets. I think I'm gonna do I think I'm gonna do my no. I think I'm gonna do my meet my pets like tomorrow or soon. But let me know if you want. Let me know if you like want like a morning or something, or like a house tour, like a roof tour, like in like haul, like in like animal haul. I'm like, and I'm gonna buy a lot of things like. I mean, I'm not like an animal haul. I'm about to buy stuff from Chewy, Amazon, and Avita. Because sometimes Avita and I use some hamster food on Chewy, and then I use a lot of this in my bathroom on Amazon. Also, I just want let me know if you want a fidget toy collection. I would love to do that as well. And do I count slime fidget toys? Like slime is fidget toys, but I touch slime. Okay. I also have putty. It's like a magnetic putty, but I'm not getting the magnetic out. See, I had lotion to it because it was really hard. But I thought it wasn't that anymore. It was in CVS. But like it's really kind of okay. So like it's like a silver one. It's like a putty. Like not really a slime. It's not like a putty. It doesn't like click or anything. It's hard to move unless like put in a ball. This is all wood. This is like metal thinking. So this is the brand jar. I don't know. It's like a silver one, you know. Maybe in China. I don't know. It's not like gonna do a lot of it because it's like a pull my show. I'm gonna play on Amazon. We'll go to CVS and get my putty. So this one is from Slime by Jacqueline. So this is to make chocolate or like chocolate waffle. You know, it came out in the which is fine. This is chocolate waffle. Slime by Jacqueline on Instagram. Slime by Jacqueline is on TikTok, on YouTube, and I think Instagram. I bought my slime from Snoop Slime on Instagram. I bought my slime from Snoop Slime on Instagram. I got my slime from Slime Stand Shop on Instagram. And I got my slime from Slime by Jacqueline on TikTok. But she's on Instagram and pit, see, but I only know her TikTok. So I ordered this chocolate cake, which was like, cake, waffle was like I say it's like $10, $12. I really wanted it. It was like a $10, $12 slime. So I ordered this one, and it was like so then I paid at the checkout. You could either like pay for like a $20 mystery. I think you could either pay $20 for 2 mystery items, or you can pay $5 for 1 mystery item. So I paid $5 extra to get mystery item. You will not get this unless you get paid the $5 extra. See, I don't know the name of it because she didn't tell me the name of it because it was like a mystery. But that's the mystery slime. I really wanted it, so I bought it. Oh shit! See, I didn't know when I bought it. I didn't know how I was getting. I knew I was getting this one, but I didn't know I was getting this one. It's my mystery slime. It's like basically a mini mystery one, and it has two of these little foam hearts in it, and these like little soda bottle in it, and it's really pretty. Like it's super duper pretty. You know what I mean? It's super pretty. I see. It smells good, but I just don't know what it smells like. I just can't decide what this smells like. So yeah, go buy slime from Slime by Jacqueline. Slime. Oh, please like the shot, hit that thumbs up. I hope you. Bye.